Having fun humping each other? In some deranged way? Kitty nipples! Yeah.
And you're sure the vet said all 3 of them were boys?
Yep.
Okay. Because I thought only girl cats had all the nipples, but you know.
Don't ask me. Pay attention to the light, Stooge.
Yes, aim it at me, gee, thanks. What is it about laser lights that gets cats so interested?
I have no idea. Oh god. Cat's like, hey, what's that? Come on, jump.
Go, kitty.
I know
Go.
you can jump.
Go.
Okay, fine then. Oh my god. He's looking behind the mirror.
Right now is when I need 2 cameras, one to focus on each cat.
It's right there, stupid. Good job. My arm's getting tired.
Aw, it didn't work.
Oh god.
And then here comes the kitty, ready to pounce.
Did you see his back feet? He's like, where'd he go?
It's underneath you. It is underneath you.
I won't say what I'm thinking.
Yeah, and I can't spill the truth. Not at the moment.
Because, you know, I don't feel like exposing it all to, like, God knows how many people on YouTube.
Not very many. The last few videos didn't get all that many views. They have like between 5 and 10 views, and that's it.
Oh, good God. One of those views is mine. I know that for a fact. Oh, God.
Well, when you gotta fart, you gotta fart. And I had to fart, okay? Come on.
Purple socks. Oh, God.
Kitty!
Get the little light you get fart. I'm trying to kill the cat with your fart. That doesn't work. Because if I'm still alive after all the ones I had to go through, I think the cat will be just fine. Okay.